Alright, we've got the Brydge 11 Max Plus. This one is the magnetic back and not the little death clamps from hell. And I, for shits and giggles, decided to record this on a 12-year-old HD Handycam. It's terrible. Open it up. Package is the same as the Pro model. Hopefully this one won't look like it's going to destroy my screen. Seemed lighter than the other one, and a lighter color silver. Comes with a plastic tearaway. Let's get this open. The tearaway seems to be glued to the edge there. Got the little firmware update card and this white backing, and that's the whole thing. And the charger cord is back on this side. The other one, it was on this side, which didn't match their little graphic on the in-app updater. And I am not seeing a charge cable, so this one doesn't come with a cable. This is as far back as the screen reclines, which is fine. This is the first time test fitting it. It's supposed to just kind of clip in magnetically. Oh, that is so much more satisfying than the Pro. Oh yeah, this is dope. Zip. Gotta unlock my face. Go Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Connect. And then we hold Bluetooth. Come on. There it is, Brydge 11 Max. Connection unsuccessful. Oh, I was trying to connect to my headphones at the same time because I accidentally hit the wrong button. Come on, buddy. Try it again. There, connected. Pair. Got a mouse. Oh my god, the setup on this one is just 1,000 times easier. And then this has an actual escape button in addition to like the home button. The other one didn't have an escape button, it was just home. Got a Siri lock button. Pretty dope. Yeah, this is already a zillion times better than the other one. Buy it. I think this one was $149 on sale, normally $200. There's a 25% off coupon on Amazon right now. Totally legit.